Hi everyone and welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will show you how to fix compatibility mode in Microsoft Word. Compatibility mode is a feature in Microsoft Word that allows you to work with older documents without losing their original formatting. This mode ensures that your document remains compatible with earlier versions of Word by restricting some of the newer features. However, while compatibility mode is useful for maintaining the integrity of older documents, it can be limiting if you want to use the latest features and functionalities available in the newer versions of Word. Features like Smart Art, advanced table formatting, and improved collaboration tools might be restricted, making it essential to convert your document to the latest format. Now, to solve this problem, go to the File tab, Info, then go to Compatibility mode. Some new features are disabled to prevent problems when working with previous versions of Office. Converting this file will enable these features, but may result in layout changes. Click on Convert. Then this dialog will appear asking if you want to upgrade your document to the newest file format. Just press OK. And at the top of the screen, compatibility mode should no longer be displayed. Here are some final tips to keep in mind. Always keep a backup of the original document before converting it. This way, you will have a copy of the original in case you need it. Always update Microsoft Word to avoid compatibility issues and to ensure you have access to the latest features and security updates. And finally, when creating new documents, use the latest Word document format. So let's now save our document. Go to the File tab and select Save As. Select the file location where you want to save your document. Change the name. And click Save. And that's pretty much it. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.